Hi everyone, I'm Li Shanyin. Today I want to discuss a topic with you guys. As all we know that exercise is beneficial to our body on the whole, but it is controversial that whether exercise will gonna improve or decline people's immune function system. Somebody has claimed that exercise is harmful to our immune function. Here's an analysis done in 2007. Its aim is to evaluate the illness of elite athletes who has too much exercise. The results show that over 50% of the elite athletes got sick frequently, whereas only around 20% of the recreational athletes were sick. This graph showed that the immunosuppression is the lowest on recreational athletes, and when exercise becomes overdose, the immunosuppression starts increasing, thus decline our immune function in the end. Take this study as reference. My answer for today's topic would be moderate and suitable exercise can improve our immune function. In other words, we could train our immune function by moderate exercise. The graph on the right is the inverted J hypothesis. It summarizes the effects of exercise on our immune system. The effects indeed depend on different factors, such as duration of exercise and the specific immune function being analyzed. In the graph, the y-axis has divided into three parts: depressed immunity, baseline, and enhanced immunity. If a person remains sedentary, his immune function will be at baseline. If he takes chronic moderate exercise, his immunity will reach the peak. However, exhaustive exercise will make one's immunity decline below baseline. Let's take a look on the benefit of any system when we have moderate exercise. This system has three major components. The first one is NK cells. Its cells count and cytolytic activity in both blood and in spleen will rise. The second component is macrophages. Monocyte and macrophage count will increase, which will then increase phagocytosis with moderate exercise. Another component is neutrophils. They will also increase largely and consistently. On the whole, moderate exercise gonna enhance our innate immune system that comprises the cells and mechanisms for defending the host from infection by other organisms. Thus, moderate exercise facilitates human body in immediate defense against infection. As for the acquired immune system, moderate exercise could also enhance the T lymphocytes, which is a major component in this system. As cells proliferation will be enhanced, which will result in an increase of the numbers of the cells. As a result, moderate exercise will also enhance acquired immune system that is composed by highly specialized systematic cells and processes that prevent pathogen growth and speed up the antigen-specific response. Second, moderate exercise will be beneficial to our lungs and airways. Doctors have found that exercise can boost your immune system by providing a boost to the protective cells in your body that are assigned to attack bacteria. They're going to circulate through the system more rapidly. For example, there are lateral killer cells, macrophages, white blood cells, and other antibodies. These cells appear to work more slowly in people who don't exercise than in those that do. As a result, if you exercise, your immune system is better equipped to handle bacteria that could cause you to become sick. Also, exercise facilitates our body to detect illness earlier. As a result, it's gonna reduce the risk of suffering from a cold, flu, or other respiratory diseases like URTI diseases. Exercise could help protective cells have a more effective clean-up effect on foreign invaders too. What's more, a regular exercise routine will extend the duration of immunity. I have introduced that moderate exercise would lead to a positive immune system response and a temporary boost in the production of macrophages. Moreover, regular exercise can bring extra benefits in long term for our immune system. Normally, after we've done exercising, the immune system generally returns to a normal within a few hours. but regular exercise will make the changes of immune system be more long-lasting. To test this belief scientifically, a research is done by American College of Sports Medicine. Two well-controlled studies with young and elderly women were conducted. In both studies, women in the exercise groups walked around 45 minutes, 5 days a week for 12 to 15 weeks, with the control groups remained physically inactive. The results state that the walkers experienced about half the days with cold symptoms as a sanitary control. These results can show that regular exercise could lead to positive changes of our immune system, thus reduce infection risk eventually. On the other side, moderate exercise helps inhibit the growth of bacteria. Normally, there is a type of bacteria called mesophiles grow best at body temperature which is around 37 degrees. When people exercise, their body temperature will rise that will reduce the growth rate of mesophiles. Rise in temperature also allows body to fight with the virus more effectively. Scientists find that the generation and differentiation of the particular kind of lymphocyte is enhanced by a higher body temperature. The elevated body temperature will change lymphocyte membranes that facilitate mediating the effects of microenvironmental temperature on cell function. On the whole, higher temperature helps lymphocytes kill bacteria more effectively. Last but not the least, exercise protects us in another way. Some stress-related hormone are linked with the risk of suffering from diseases. A research team led by an university has found that chronic psychological stress is associated with the body losing its ability to regulate the inflammatory response. In other words, when under stress, cells of the immune system are unable to respond to hormone control, and finally, produce level of inflammation that promotes diseases will decrease, thus decrease the risk of illness. Finally, let's summarize my points for today's topic. On the whole, when we start exercise regularly, the components in both innate and acquired system will be enhanced. The duration of immunity will be more long-lasting. Growth rate of bacteria will decrease due to the rising temperature. Inflammatory response will be reduced as well. Exercise are extremely important to our immune system. As long as we don't exercise too much, that's gonna harm our immune system. That's all of my presentation. Thank you.